Good morning, students. Today we will go for the learning of the product portability in the insurance sector of India. I am Dr. K.V. Somnath, Assistant Professor, GS College of Commerce, Varta. Let us first know what actually the logic behind this product portability in the insurance sector of India. As we know that change is the only constant in this world, this iconic statement is perhaps a reflection of our society, where change is natural and perhaps the only aspect of life which is predictable. Evolution is a natural phenomenon and it is human instinct to evolve over time. Anybody or anything which does not evolve will end up becoming redundant. Evolution led to the concept of survival of the fittest, a theory which opened our lives to be better products and improved the quality of services considerably. Competition in any sphere is ultimately good for the overall health of a population, offering access to quality services at affordable rates. The dissatisfaction is a common phenomenon among the people, and it wouldn't come as a surprise if policyholders are unhappy with their policies or the services offered to them. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India came up with a novel way to ensure that common people are not taken for a ride by health insurance providers, introducing the concept of health insurance policy. I would like to remind you that the product portability till date has been promoted in the health insurance as well as the medical insurance only, not in the other parts of the insurance field. Health insurance portability is a scheme through which policyholders can transfer their existing health insurance policies from their current provider to another provider. India is at home to over 50 insurance providers catering to health insurance needs of millions. Portability ensures that companies don't take their customers for granted, strengthening competition and offering better options to existing customers. Customers who opt for portability can do so without worrying about losing any benefits accrued, having complete freedom to switch over to a better service provider. Now let us go for finding out what are the various reasons as a nutshell. The poor service, unable to step up the sum insured, poor claim settlement, lack of transparency, and poor product design offered by the insurers or the services provided by the insurance organizers. These are the different 5 major categories of reasons for the product portability in the insurance sector. Now let us go for a expand way of the in-depth knowledge of these criteria for the main concept of causing this product portability in the insurance sector. First one is poor service. It is time to port if your health insurance provider doesn't live up to the promised quality of service. Companies might often fail to deliver on quality assurances and there is no point holding on them in such a cases. Second one is additional cover. Your existing health insurance provider might not offer sufficient cover in specific health issues which are of a concern to you. It might be the right time to move to a service provider which covers all your needs in such situations. Third one is slow claim settlement. It might be the time to look for a better company if your provider has a bad history of slow claim settlement. Fourth one is health clauses. Transparency is not the first thing one associates with insurance providers. Hidden clauses might become a major concern during emergencies, and it would be better to shift to a provider who is transparent with no hidden clauses. Better offerings. It might be time to port if you are paying exorbitantly high amounts of services for which can be availed cheaper in another company. Intense competition ensures you that you can get better value for your money and land some great deals. Moving to specialized company. You could have a health insurance policy with a general insurance company which pays more attention to its other offerings. In such cases, you should consider moving from a generalized company to a specialized health insurance company which could be more suitable to your needs. What are the advantages of the health insurance portability? Number 1, customized policy. Portability allows policyholders to modify their policy to suit their current health requirements. One can add new nominees or opt for an additional cover as per their lifestyle changes. Second one is new sum insured. In case of policy portability, the existing sum insured is added to the accrued bonus to give the new sum insured. The no claim bonus is also added to the new sum insured during portability. Third one is no time bound exclusions. Individuals can opt for portability without having to worry about any time bound exclusions. Next one is continuation of previous benefits. All benefits of an old policy continue to remain in force even after portability. Lower premiums. Increasing competition ensures that companies are willing to offer existing benefits at lower premiums, offering policyholders the opportunity to save money. Better services. Policyholders can opt for a health insurance provider which is known for its impeccable service and attention to customers. Improved claim settlement. Policyholders must find the claim settlement process of their current provider slow and cumbersome. Portability allows them the option of moving to a company with better claim settlement. Transparency. Health insurance portability allows policyholders a chance to move to a service provider which follows transparent practices, avoiding hidden clauses and conditions. The disadvantages of the health insurance or the medical insurance portability. First one is timeliness. Policyholders can opt for portability only when their policy is due for renewal. Portability is not allowed at other times. Second one is no significant policy change. Policyholders cannot move to policies which are totally different. They can port to only similar types of policies. Third one is higher premiums. Additional benefits could mean higher premiums which can arise any monetary benefit. Last one is the loss of benefits. Policyholders who move from group insurance policies to individual policies might not get all the benefits included in their policy. The rules governing health insurance policy portability is very important for us to have a knowledge over it. Like-to-like health policies. Policyholders need to keep in mind that only like-to-like or similar health policies are portable. That is, they can migrate from one basic reimbursement plan to another basic reimbursement plan or from one top-up plan to another top-up plan. Second one is general or specialized portability. Policyholders can port their policies from any general or specialized insurance company to any specialized or general insurance company. Policy types. Individual or family policies can be ported. Renewal. Health insurance portability is permitted only during the renewal stages of a current policy. Individuals cannot port their policies during the other times. Notices. Individuals opting for health insurance portability need to notify their current insurance company in writing about the same, stating the company they wish to port their policy to. They should be done 45 days before the policy is due for renewal. And in the case of renewal, policyholders should renew their policies without any break. A discontinuity in the policy due to delay by an insurer will not be treated as discontinuity and portability can continue. Acknowledgement. Insurers need to acknowledge applications for portability within 30 days or within the next 3 days from which the applicant has applied for the portability. Now let us go for overall tips of how to go for portability of our health insurance policy or the medical insurance policy. First one, we have to apply with the new insurer 45 days before the policy renewal date, but not before 60 days. Second one, the new insurer reaches out to old insurer for medical and claims records. No portability cost, but premium may vary even for same sum insured policy. Waiting period and other key benefits get extended to new policy. No claim bonus does not get carried forward unless you enhance sum insured. Any additional sum insured will have new waiting period in new policy. Make sure to upgrade policy for future requirements. We can enhance coverage, include many new features and add new family members also. So with this, I hope that you have understood what actually the product portability in the case of the insurance sector, and with this context, in this concept, we have completed the unit 3, that is insurance, and from the next class onwards we will be going to learn about the starting of the fundamentals of knowing about the capital markets, which is the 4th unit of your syllabus. Thank you very much, all of you. stay safe and protected. Thank you.